Guys, so let's look at how we can use Elementor. So edit with Elementor, go to the page and edit with Elementor. So let's customize, let's bring this right here, and then let's be using this as our website, and let's use this as our Elementor, right? So it's our website. So we have edited the menu. We have edited our call, our phone number, which we are going to put here, and then our email, the right email for you, put it right here on the menu, on the customize button section. You understand? Wow. So let's go to Elementor, right? So this is the Elementor. So this is where we can set up our website, edit some of the other things apart from using the customizer. So let's see what we can edit. So every section is, you see all this edit button. Every section have their edit button. See this edit button? This edit button means you can edit all of this section. If you select this, that means you want to edit everything in this section, right? Everything right in this section. If you click on this, now if you click on only this, that means you want to edit only this section. You see right here. If you click on this, that means you want to edit only this slider, right? And if you click on this, edit in stock, you see this is how you can edit all of these cool stuffs, right? So now I will say that let's edit our 5 years stuff. So sorry about that. So I'll just reduce it back to 100. Okay, so let's quickly edit this to 5 ways to, let's look at why our images are not coming there. Okay, so we have select product category. Select product category. Okay, so we selected all product category. So let's say we select mobile. Let's see if it is only mobile we want to be displaying right there. Okay, but let's switch back to and number of slide 1 2 3 4 4 5. Okay, we have five there. We can reduce it to 4. 1 2 3 4. We can reduce it to 3 sliders, right? And now we have 3 sliders. So let's leave it with 3 sliders. Slider speed is in 4 seconds. I think I will just leave that. So this view product, we can edit it to be view anything. We can say buy product, use capital letter, buy product instead of the view products. So anything you edit here will reflect right here. So what is the height, maximum height that you want all your content to be? Let's say we have 300. Remember we have 450 there, so let's give it to 300 now. All the heights here now have been devastated, right? This is destroyed. I'll just take it back to 450. So 450 looks cool, so I will not want to do anything there, right? So I'll just leave it at 450. Yeah, good. So so height, title and price. So if I don't want to see title and price on this page, I can click on hide it. If I want to see it, I can leave it. If I click on this, anything title and the price is going to be hidden away from me. So now I'm having only buy products, so I can't see the other prices and all of those like that. So now I can hide the slider navigation too, right here. And hiding the slider navigation, which means I won't be able to see the slider navigation. Okay, so now you see the slider navigation. I can click this slider navigation. So even if, to me, let's, okay, so that's I mistakenly clicked something that removed this. So I just had to like come to this history section right here and then select it back. You see that thing went off, and when it went off, to do that thing back and be able to do it. unless you want to code it or stuff like that, and it's going to cause a lot of trouble. So just switch back to this, and then you're gonna have it back. So I like this slider anyways, so I will select the slider. Let me click on this edit button back, and then let me just go to the advanced. So if I go to the advanced, I click on background. Okay, I click on background. Okay, no images on the background. I click on layout. I see nothing on the layout. So I will not want to tamper with any of these changes, right? Because if I tamper with any of these changes, it's going to affect what I am doing. Okay, so I like it better that way. So let me just apply. Let me just update this. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. The structure. So we have three structures selected. If we select this one, we're going to have this. Select this one, we're going to have this. So I'll just stick with type 3, type 3, type 3. Right? So I don't want to switch to any of these things. So I will not want to touch any of these things as well. Not to cause more trouble. Let's look at styling. Okay, so I will not want to tamper with any of this section, and then I will just leave this section this way. Now the concern that I'll be having now is the images, right? How do I make these images come out? So that we'll figure out later how we can bring out that image, just like the way all these images are showing. So now let's go to this section and edit this section as well. So this section is we can select by on sale. Any product that is on sale can be put here. So if your product is on sale, it has a label that like an on sale. We can select this. We can set this on our when we are uploading products. We can set this right here. So any product that is on sale can be shown right here. If it is best selling, because all these things are categorized according to their sales. You understand? If it is top rated, so top rated will be displayed. Let's click on this section again. Accessories. Let's click on this section. I think I was editing another thing. Okay, yes, I was editing this. Let's click on this. Top rated. Now let's see if it is on sale. Let's see if we have any product on sale. So I don't think we have any product on sale. Let's see featured. So we have products that are featured. Okay, let's look at newest. We have newest. Let's see featured. Some are sold. Some are okay. Some are on sale. So let's click on sale now. So let's see if we can see the products that are on sale. Oh, it's not bringing it out. Maybe something might have been wrong, but then it's supposed to be bringing sale, something like this, product that are on sale, stuff like that should be showing right there. So that is how you can, can do your school stuff. Enable pagination. If you want to enable this section, you can click on it. Yeah, if you don't want to see it, if you want to see it, you can click on it. So the same thing you're going to do to all of this. You're going to do to all of this. Anything you want to edit, anything you want to edit, you have accessories, you have men, you have women. Accessories, you have men. You can change it. You have women. So from men, let's change to camera. So men has been changed to camera. So if you click on camera, you're going to be seeing any item that is on camera. So all these product category, how are they forming? Where can we see them? I will show you in our next class. So how many products do you want to be showing? Let's say we want to be showing like 7. So you're going to be seeing 7 products right here. But that will be very, very, very tiny to spoil the design, stuff like that. So let's see how it looks. You see now, okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. So which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can list 10 and then it will pull right here. So let's list 10. So I want 10 product to be showing right there. Okay, so it's not 10 is not showing. That means we don't have up to 10 product listed right there. But then if we want to change to like 3, so that only 3 will be showing right here, so only 3 will come. So these settings, this is how you can edit your product page with Elementor. Very cool. You can navigate through whatsoever you want to navigate. So now we have 3 products. Now you can enable your pagination, you can disable your pagination, like that. So anyhow you think you want to do it. Okay, so that's cool, right? So I will just let's look at this features. You can edit this 35% off. You can edit this to your taste. Shop now. Now this shop might have a link. So this is the link. You can put your link to the shop. Maybe you can click on shop. You can just say go to the shop, right? So you can update this. So anytime they click on this, the shop will be added. Now this is it. Click on shop. You see right here down here, you could see shop coming. So if you click on this, it's going to the shop. That's how you can do this. So now I think that is how you can edit all the pages on your checkout page. You see this, right? Checkout page. So anybody that click on this page is going to checkout page straight away. If you don't want them to go to checkout page, you can do other stuffs. You can select any other thing you want to put right there. So this section too, you can, select 4 images. You can edit all of them. Select any of the images that you want to select. Add to your gallery. You can select your media. Any logo you want to add right there, you can add them from here, from this section. So I will just leave this like this, and then you can change your address. Select your address, right? So let's say be in touch. Twitter, put your Twitter username. Put your Twitter username here. If you have a Facebook account, put your Facebook account link, facebook.com. And if you input the Facebook link, anybody that click on Facebook, they will go to your Facebook page. You see, when I click on Facebook, look at down here, you see it's showing me facebook.com. So if it is your profile that is here, anything that is related to your link, maybe your name is that success or something, so that success will be facebook.com/that success. That's what will happen there. So you can select. So now let's change our address. So let's say Abuja section 2022. So contact details, you can select your contact details as well. Edit your contact details. Demo@admin.com, your email. Then you can select your phone number. Edit your phone number to be plus whatever it is you want to edit your number to, blah blah blah, like that. You get? So that is it. If you want to add more image to this, you can click on this image, add image to this section. You see it has moved away. So I will just go back to my and select this so that I can bring it back. So that is now the map, and this is your map. So now this is your map. Let's look at if we can edit. Okay, cool, we can edit our map. So set your address here, input your address. Let's say Mabushi Ultra Modern Market. I'm gonna select Mabushi Ultra Modern Market. So good. So Mabushi Ultra Modern Market is available. So then that means that is where people can find me, right? Abuja section, Mabushi Ultra Modern, so people can see me right here. So this is how I can edit all of this. We can edit this from the menu, and you can edit this from the menu from under customize that I showed you the other time. So after you're done with everything you're doing, click on update, and all the updates will be reflected on your page. So now let's check our page. Let's see if those update has been applied. So I click here, so I should be going to my shop. So Abuja section, right? That's my address. Mabushi Ultra Market. Check direction. People will know where direction is, stuff like that. So that is it. So that is it. So now you see this it's saying shop, which means this directory is not correct. So you have to edit it to the one that will give you shop. Now let's look at our correct shop page. So it should be looking like this. Should be looking like this. That means on your Elementor, your shop. Let's go back, quickly fix this so that I can show you how it works. So edit this section. Under the link, you can add slash shop like this. Just this way, slash shop like this, the way it's looking right here. And then do the same stuff. Update it. Right, so after updating this, you should be cool. So after updating this, network is very, very bad. So that is how you can do this. After updating this, you can go to the shop again, and then you get it navigate to that page this way. So thank you for this section. In the next section, we'll talk much about other features. Thank you.